Oh no! You'll never believe what just happened.
All right, YouTube, we're back. And this is Salvage Motorsports. This is Rodney. And today we're lifting up an engine. We got the engine hoist.
One cherry picker.
Perfect.
I've got a high-low that we lift engines with, and we got that crane in the back of the building. And I sold my cherry picker, something like that. This is why I hated these. No, we needed it out more to...
Move it out that way.
Yeah. Too big. That'll work. Wow, I expected that to be on there better. I guess we'll do 1 ton, huh?
Yeah, I mean, it's not going to be more than half of that, probably.
So a half ton? Want to do half ton?
Just do the one.
Well, half ton will give us a little more.
That's probably like, what, 750?
It's probably close to 1,000.
A half ton should be okay. I mean, worst case...
Worst case, the cherry picker flips over, damages my new concrete. No big deal. Chris will pay for it. Right? His big YouTube money. Ain't you Chris Fix?
Chris Can't Fix. That would be my
that's
channel.
you, yeah.
Like, hey, it's like, how did you destroy that? Well, let me tell you. I guess you're not supposed to use the sandpaper there.
You're the opposite of that guy.
Yeah, unfixable. Unfixable Chris.
That sounds right, dude. Usually I use a nut and bolt combo for this, but I kind of like these. Let's see if these work.
Try it out.
Yeah. Huh? All right. I'm happy with that. I'm gonna do this 1 bolt back here. Motor mount bracket to the subframe. It's the one, my guy. Probably should pop those half shafts out. Whatever. I might have to wait till that one lifts up a little bit more. There it is.
Fluids.
Wish I had a catch pan, dude.
A little catch can.
Guess that's what you can call it. What did you do? I don't think I ever emptied this transmission. Drain plug on this trans so I could drain it. I think it's right here.
All right, so it looks like you said it's Allen key one, huh? I'm gonna say there's transmission fluid in there. Oh, look like mud. It smells great.
I feel like there's some water in there.
Yeah.
I'm doing the disassemble, right? And you're gonna do the reassemble, right?
No problem.
All right. I just do, it's like my passion and everything, you know? What's your passion? It doesn't matter what your passion is. Now we're gonna hammer it out.
I do like this option, actually.
And if it don't work, it's all right.
Got it?
Yep. Great.
Well,
Just as I suspected, garbage.
more tools.
You know what my Snap-on guy tells me? You can never have enough tools. But I think he's just there to sell me tools. So he might be biased. What do you think?
What are we using here?
Oh, you know, the big Ugga Dugga with a 1/2 inch to 3/8 to a non-impact T50. Let's see how it holds up. Water in it, my guy. A little bit of water. And that had a lot more fluid in it than I thought it'd have. What do you guys think with that water coming out of it? That little teensy weensy bit.
All right, put that back in. Let's go. All right, cool. So trans fluid out, T-case fluid out. Oil has already been drained because we already checked the oil pan. So
yeah, we pulled the pan off of it.
you're good to go.
And that hole in the pan is a good way to drain it too. If this don't ever bust loose, you just go ahead and smash a hole in your pan right there. Transfer case. Got to use that Snap-on lifetime warranty, bro.
You're running it through its paces.
You know? You know what my favorite tool is? The hammer.
What is it?
The hammer.
That's your favorite?
Sure, dude.
Clip
Oh,
remover.
never mind. I don't think I need it. This thing's going to come off. I think.
Something holding it on?
That's being held. There it is.
There it is. Let's do it. Wow. Nice.
Wow. Little baby tea case. What a terrible song that was, dude.
Which one?
Drop down and get your eagle on.
Was that Nelly?
Yeah, wasn't one of his best songs, dude.
Dude, that Air Force One song was so sweet.
Yeah, that one was sweet, but. Oh, dude, you're gonna get all dirty.
That one got burnt.
I think there's only one holding it left. What do you think?
I don't know. Start lowering it. Oh, better start lowering it.
Bro, don't tell me what to do.
There you go.
Nothing's gonna happen, dude. It's sitting on what do you call those?
Spinners.
Yeah, it's sitting on spinners, dude. Yeah.
Sitting on 22s. Do you remember that?
Yeah, dude. I remember that. It was awful then, and it's still awful now.
The guides,
Yeah.
like the aluminum guides
Yeah.
from the transmission to the
Yeah.
bell housing.
Yeah.
The gloves.
Look at that.
You look like Wolverine, dude. Shout out to Wolverine. That was good. All right, there it is. The oil pan just came off. That's cool.
I thought that was bolted on.
No, because I think you put it up there and you just pushed it into place.
Well, there's just two different throw-out bearings. There's a push and the pull one. The one's got a retaining clip on it that you got to push off of you get a screwdriver in there and you turn it sideways and push the clip off of it.
It's a little grimy in there.
And now we're back to Allen's. 3/8 to quarter.
Go time?
I guess, dude. It's Harbor Freight. I just take it back and they give me a new one if I snap it, right? Oh, didn't snap.
So far, so good.
Kind of surprised me.
Lovely. Magnificent. Stupendous.
Hand me that popper tool. I like the noise that one made.
It's not clean, not super clean.
I think someone might have cross-threaded it when they put it in, maybe. They could have over-tightened it, pulled some threads out of it. I don't know. We could retap it, though. It's not a big deal.
I thought you put the bolts back in.
I thought I put the bolts back in it, too, dude. Now the fun part, though. Seeing if we got bolts that are going to make it through this. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to have anything.
Pop the oil pan back on. Keep it from leaking.
Yeah.
One more.
Yeah, I should.
Uno más. Live más.
There you go.
Good to go.
Well, that's all we can do for today. I don't got the right bolts to put it on the engine stand, unfortunately. We need some long bolts that I don't have to get them through the plate of the engine stand into the block.
Yeah, the ones we have are too short, and there's not enough of them. So it's...
I've got maybe one that will work, but we need 4.
All right, good job, man. Look at that. Engine off, transmission off, T-case off, oil pan fell off, clutch, flywheel. Did it all. It didn't take you very long, so...
Nah. All right, well, clean it up.
Oh, these smell terrible, dude. Get these off of me.
Until next time. Oh no!